Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to discuss about how to create a simple query in MS Access. Okay, so for this first you have to go to the database. If you are first time, if you want to create a database, then table, then query, then you have to go to the blank database. Okay, or if you have already some database and you want to create a query for this, then just go to your previous created database. Okay, so I have already made one database, that is school database. So I am going to click on this. So after this, see here in the left hand side, lots of tables I have created, that is student, then faculty, then student details, then student profile. These are the table I have created, and I have also created the student details table, then this report of this table, then form of the student profile table. So this thing I have created in my previous videos. If you want to watch that videos, then please go to my channel and you can watch that previous videos, how to create a table, how to create a report, then how to create a form. Okay, so now I want to open my student details table. Okay, so this is my student details table. Okay, so the fields are SID, then S name means student ID, student name, student age, student UOB, subject, and the photo. Okay, these fields I have created. Okay, so now I want to create a query for this. So what is the meaning of query first? Okay, so query means the filter of a table. Filter means, so if you want so few data from this table, for example, I want to filter, or I want the data whose name is starting from A. Okay, so that for that reason you have to use the query. Okay, so see here in the S name, the students are Nia, Ria, Raj, then these are the students I have created the name. Okay, so if you want the students whose name is starting from A only, okay, not all the students, if you want the student who's starting from A, that time you have to use the query. Okay, or in the subject, say for example you want the details of the students who taken the subject as a computer science. Okay, you want the student details only for the computer science, not all the subjects. That time also you have to use the query. So basically it is the filter of a table. Okay, so I am going to create a first query. So first click on the create, then go to the query tab. Okay, so this is the query tab. So I have to click on the query wizard. So see here in query wizard, these are the different types of wizard. Query wizards are there: simple query wizard, cross tab, then find duplicate, find unmatched. So I am going to the simple one, simple query wizard. After that, see here in a table option, 4 tables are available: faculty, students, student details, and profile. So I am going to select the student details. Okay, because I want to create a query for this student details table. Okay, so see here this is the fields. Okay, available fields for this particular student details table: SID, S name, SH, DOB, photo, subject. These are the fields. So if you want all the fields, then just click on this, and if you want some selected fields, then go to the option here only: SID, S name, then age or subject. I'm going to the option subject, and then okay, age also. These are the fields I have selected for my query. Okay, then click on next. After that, 2 options are available: detail or summary. I am going to the option detail, then open or modify the query. I want to click on the modify the query, then finish. Okay, so see here, these are the fields I have selected: SID, S name, subject, and age. Okay, so first I have to run the query, how it will look like. Okay, so for run the query, you have to go to the option here, run. So see here, these are the fields I have selected: SID, SNAME, subject and age. Okay. Now here go to the query option, student details, then right click, then design view. Here see, I want only the two fields, SNAME and subject. I don't want the all fields. Okay, so for this I have to select only these two fields and then click on run. See here, only these two fields have selected here and it is showing here. Okay. Now again go to the right click, design view. Now I want to give the criteria. So for this, in a name, I want the students whose name is starting from A. Okay, so for this you have to give A letter and then star. Okay, and run this. See here, it will display the name which starting from A, Abhishek and Anjali and their subject. Okay, now again go to the option design view. Now I am going to the give some criteria for this subject. So for this I am giving this one third bracket, then enter the subject. So this option will come and you have to enter your subject name. Okay, whether it will computer science, geography, English, any subject. Okay, from your table. So I have selected here, I've given the criteria, enter the subject and then click on run. See here, it is showing the enter the subject. So I am going to the giving option here, computer science, then okay. See here, it will show you the subject computer science and the students of computer science. Okay, now again going to the design view. If you want the subject, okay, of a student and their name is starting from B, means I want the subject of computer science and the students of computer science starting from B. So I am giving here B, then star. Here it will show the student name B and his subject computer science. Okay, so now run. I have to enter the subject name computer science. Okay, so see here, it will show you the subject computer science and the name of the student who is starting from B only. Okay, so there are only one student who is starting from B in a subject of computer science. So this way you can create a simple query for your table. Okay, so I am going to give a option A, then star. Now run. I want the subject of the student who is starting from, say, geography. Okay, so see here, only one student is there whose subject is geography and the starting name A, that is Anjali. So like this you can create a query of your table. Okay, so in my next videos I am going to show you how you can create a report from your query. Okay, so if you like my video, like the video and share my video, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel for the latest update. Thank you all.